Collector current expressions in CB, that means common base configurations. Common base configurations. This is the basic diagrams. These common base configurations in PNP transistors and NPN transistor, where base is commonly grounded, emitter is inputs have and collector is behave the outputs event, where IE is emitter current and IB is base current and IC is collector current in PNP transistor. Your NPN transistor, when base is commonly grounded and emitters and collector has behave input and output, their IE is emitter current, IB is base current like has forward biases, and IC is collector current has the reverse biases. Here is the common base and common emitter is commonly alpha is equal to IC divided by IE, that is equal current gain in common base configurations. Beta is equal to IC by IB is equal to current gain in common emitter. Here IE is equal to IB plus IC. IB plus IC. Emitter current is equal to sum of the base current and collector current. Emitter current is equal to sum of the base current and collector current. In common base configuration, IE is the emitter input current and IC is output current. IC is output current. The collector current is compared to components, that majority carriers and minority carriers. Majority carriers as is a minority carriers. That is IC is equal collector current IC is equal to IC majority plus ICO minority. That is the output IC current. Output IC current is equal IC majority plus ICO minority. IC majority is due to normal transition operation, which is a function of the emitter current, that is alpha IE. It is a PNP transistors who have the PNP transistor. P is emitter behave and N is behaving a base and P behaving and collectors, where V is the input voltage and VCC is the output voltage and S1 ST is the switches. The figures. ICO minority is temperature dependent leakage current. ICO or simply ICO is the reverse current flowing from the collector to base when the emitter open. When the emitter open. This is the diagram of the points. Look at the diagram. Base current IB is equal to 1 minus alpha into IE minus ICO. when PNP transistors. When NPN transistors, IB is equal to 1 minus alpha into IE minus ICO, where IC is majority charge carriers of the collector, IE is the emitter current, alpha is the quality factor. The above diagram is showing base current IB is equal to 1 minus alpha into IE minus ICO. When NPN transistor IB is equal to 1 minus alpha into IE minus ICO is the equal current in the both transistors, that is NPN and PNP transistors. Therefore IC is equal to alpha into IE majority plus ICBO is minority. We know that transistor's formulation is IE is equal to IB plus IC, where IE is emitter current and IB is base current plus IC is the collector current. IC is the collector current. Where is the NPN, PNP transistor of the configurations, common emitter and common basis. IC in term of IB, ICBO, alpha, beta, where IC is equal to alpha into IE plus ICBO. Substitution when is IE is equal to IB plus IC, when IC is equal to alpha into IB plus IC plus ICBO, where IC is equal to alpha into IB plus alpha into IC plus I into CBO, when the IC minus alpha into IC is equal to alpha into IB plus I into CBO, where commonly IC is common. IC is equal IC into 1 minus alpha is equal to alpha into IB plus ICBO. In IC is equal to alpha divided by 1 minus alpha into IB plus 1 divided by I minus alpha divided by ICBO. Therefore IC is equal to beta B beta IB plus 1 plus beta into ICBO. With the summary, IC is equal to alpha into IE majority carriers plus ICBO is minority carrier. Common collector current in configuration. Common emitter, this is the common collector. Where is compare of the common base, common emitter and common collector configurations. This is the transistor in common base configurations diagram, circuit diagram and basic diagram. When P is emitter and N is base and P is the collectors. When is base is commonly grounded and emitter is behaving input to, and collector IC is behaving is output. This configuration. Next one is transistor in common emitter configurations. This configurations n-type semiconductor behave the emitter. This emitter is commonly grounded, whereas base IB current is inputs currents, where collector current IC current have behaved as the output current in this configuration. Transistor in common collector configurations. This configurations is p-type semiconductor like behave is commonly grounded, and where IB is input currents and IG is output currents. This is behaving to this type of configurations diagrams. Next, comparing of the common emitter, common base, common collector. Same, those are the factors. Characteristics is signal into. Where is the signal enter into? Common base configurations. Signal enter into emitter, and common emitter configuration. Signal enter into the base. And the same common collector configurations, signal into in the base. Next, second point, signal out of is when common base configurations collectors and common emitter configuration also be signal output in vary the collector, and common collector configurations signal out of the emitter. Next, third point is input resistance R1 is common base configurations very low, that is 20 ohms, and common emitter configurations input resistance is medium, that is 1000 ohms or 1 kilo ohms. Next, common collector configurations input resistance R1 is very high, that is 150 kilo ohms. Next, fourth one is output resistance RO. RO is common base configurations output resistance is very high, that is 1 mega ohms. Common emitter configurations output resistance is medium, 50 kilo ohms, and common collector configurations output resistance is very low, that is 80 ohms. There is a 4 factor in commonly comparing into common base configurations, common emitter configurations, as well as common collector configurations. Fifth one is current gain. Fifth factor is current gain. When common base configurations less than unity, in common base configurations alpha is less than the unity. Next, common collector configurations current gain is high, then beta is equal to 100. Next, current gain in common collector configurations is highest 1 plus beta. 1 plus beta. Sixth factor is voltage gain. Voltage gain in common base configurations in medium high, that is 150. Voltage gain in common emitter configurations, that is higher than common base, that is 500. Voltage gain in common collector configurations, that is very low, less than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 1. Next is seventh factor is phase inversions in common base configurations, no high. Phase inversions is no in common base configurations. Next, second one is phase inversion is common collector configuration is S, and phase inversion in common collector configurations is no. Next, eighth one is thermal stability. Thermal stability in common base configurations is high. Next, thermal stability in common emitter configuration is low, and thermal stability in common collector configuration is highest. Next, ninth factor is advantages of common base configurations is stability, very high stability. Next, advantages of the common emitter configuration is high gain. Next, advantages of the common collector configurations, high gains RI. Next one is 10th factor. 10th factor is the applications. Applications since impedance matching. Application of the common emitter configuration is voltage amplifications and typical applications. Next, application of the common collector configurations is matching or impedance transforming and device buffering. Even though leaking current is the several problem in common emitter configurations because of high voltage gain, current gain and power gain is mostly used. There is the problems. The alpha of the transistor is 0.98, calculated beta and gamma. This is the topic of the common base, common collector and common emitter configurations.